Welcome to the PorchPros factory. Today we're going to walk you through step by step how we create our wonderful 3-season rooms.
We start here. We receive 36,000 pounds of material every other week and check all incoming material for cracks and other imperfections. High demand, high volume. When an order hits production, the frame of each sash is cut in our tiger snaps. These allow a perfect cut and length every time. Just to be safe though, we double check each before passing into the next station. Sashes are then prepped here for the tension spring, more on that later, and then corner keys are inserted. Now that the sash is ready, it goes into our 4-corner staker. This punches the corner keys and checks that it is perfectly square. Next, the spreader bar is added. That gives them that extra sturdiness. And there's that tension spring I mentioned. Once sashes are ready, then our plexiglass is added. We roll the full set at once to save on material before trimming the excess and applying heat for added strength. Speaking of, here's a test we recently did. While all of this has been happening, the window frame is being cut and assembled too. This is the point where the 2 production lines meet and the whole window starts to come together. The screen is applied very similar to our vinyl. Our flat spline ensures a tight fit, but not too tight in case field adjustments are needed. Final QA is completed by checking all measurements against your unique order number in our system. A good functionality check on all the windows, and it's good to go. This window is now placed on a rack with the other windows in that order, and then it's off to shipping.
And just like that, another porch enclosure is on its way to a new home. If you're looking to transform your existing screen room into a functional 3-season room, give your local PorchPro a call today.